Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate lipstick at home. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of shea butter, 1/2 teaspoon of beeswax, and 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. Also, prepare a small, clean container for your finished lipstick. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This homemade lipstick is a fun and creative project, offering a natural alternative to store-bought options. Let's get started on this sweet beauty treat. Next, we'll gently melt our solid ingredients. Using a double boiler, combine the beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil. Heat them slowly, stirring continuously until they transform into a smooth, clear liquid. It's important to ensure everything is fully melted and well combined for a consistent lipstick texture. This step requires a little patience, but it's crucial for achieving a beautiful, even base. Take your time to get this right, and you'll be well on your way to a lovely chocolate lipstick. Now for the fun part, adding the chocolate. Carefully incorporate 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into your melted mixture. Stir it thoroughly until the cocoa powder is completely dissolved and evenly distributed, giving your lipstick that rich, beautiful chocolate color. If you like, you can also add a few drops of a food-grade essential oil, like peppermint or vanilla, for a delightful scent. This step truly brings your chocolate lipstick to life, adding both color and a wonderful aroma. Finally, it's time to pour and set your homemade chocolate lipstick. Carefully transfer the warm liquid mixture into your clean, prepared lipstick container. Once poured, allow the lipstick to cool and solidify completely at room temperature, which usually takes several hours. For a quicker set, you can place the container in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once firm, your beautiful, natural chocolate lipstick is ready to use. Enjoy your sweet, custom-made beauty product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.